Over in India, there is renewed interest in vintage cars, and an exhibition showing models dating as far back as the 1900s has taken Mumbai by storm. Channel News Asia's Murtaza Merchant checks it out.
In the past, large and uniquely shaped cars were considered to be the kings of roads in India. Through time, they were superseded by sleeker and faster cars sporting the latest technology. But it's obvious that vintage cars carry an aura that continues to draw the crowds even today. This exhibition of some 80 vintage cars in Mumbai is a case in point.
It's very interesting, very enlightening. We are getting to see how people used to travel in luxury, the Britishers, the foreign all-made cars. They are all really good ones. Like, in fact, what we feel is that the older cars were much better than the new ones.
Vintage car has a different feel at all. It has a grace, it has a panache of its own. So that's not regular what you see right now. You probably see new cars, of course, they are good, but then vintage has a different kind of attraction. You need to be here to feel it, to see it.
The exhibition is being held to raise money for a drought relief fund for the Indian province of Maharashtra.
My main objective is I wanted the masses to see. Second, that we wanted the proceeds to go to the drought relief fund. That was there. The last, yes, I have my selfish interest in this. I wanted the government to know, the government of Maharashtra, that if you have an exhibition, a museum, permanent museum in Mumbai city or in Maharashtra, at a nearby place in Mumbai, it could draw a tourist from all over the world.
Among the masterpieces on show include this 1900s era Phaeton Hudson 7-seater open tourer, the only surviving car of its kind in the world. The owners of these splendid beauties have painstakingly maintained them to make sure they remain fit to be driven on the potholes-filled roads of Mumbai. And they never fail to draw admiring glances when they hit the streets.
So many period cars which I have seen in my childhood in movies like Godfather, Bachchan driving the Contessa. These things, like, you connect to the old memories, and that made me like come back and stroll down my old memories. So I was like quite happy and very relieved. And the first thing I thought, like, I'll get all my friends to go through this vintage car show.
The stunning oldies like the Mercedes Newburgh and the Pontiac Firebird convertible displayed at this exhibition in Mumbai are serving a dual purpose. It's not only directed towards making life easier for people in the drought-affected regions of Maharashtra, but also gives the youth of Mumbai a chance to connect with their glorious past. Murtaza Merchant, Channel News Asia in Mumbai.
And of course, I like riding those taxi cabs in India, those old ambassador cars, I think they were called. All right, that's all we have for you here on Primetime Asia. You can check us out online on Facebook and on Twitter anytime you want. Have a good evening.